Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a Loveoworld song. And by the way, Happy New Year. The title of the song is Beauty of Your Grace. And we're going to be doing it in the key of C. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a paid tutorials for people who want to have me as your personal teacher, and it's very affordable. And I'm going to get you all the necessary videos you need and give yourself 6 months to 1 year, or let's say 3, 6, 1 year. You should be able to be playing the piano the way you want it. So those who are interested, you can comment below. I'll send you a message and then we can start. It's better to start early, and for those who cannot afford to, I have a free tutorial on my playlist, 53 videos that you can use, and there are many other videos too on my channel that you can use. So let's start with the intro that goes like this. For the right, that's why you'll be playing. So it's a chord 1 like this, then a chord 7, then you do a flat 7 to a 4 again, then a flat 7, in every season. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Alright, so you do a chord 1, you do a chord 7, and then a flat 7, then you do a chord 4, then you do a 6, 7, 1. Basically, that's the whole chords for the song. How many minutes have I recorded? 3 minutes. I don't want it to be a long tutorial, but yeah, that's the whole song, Beauty of Your Grace. I'm going to be putting the link of the song in the comment section so you can listen to the song and then learn it. So again, the intro, then 7, then flat 7, then to 4. In every season, 1, 7, back to flat 7, to chord 4, 6, 7, All right, so see you in the next tutorial, and bye-bye.